Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi. Today I'm going to make this beautiful tea light holder. As we all know that Diwali is around, so I thought let's try something new and dot this tea light holder. So I have used very few colors in this basically the 7 colors of rainbow. This is the best combination that nature can give us. You can never go wrong with the rainbow colors. If you don't have anything in mind, go with the rainbow. So, friends, you need a big round tea light holder. You can get this easily from our website. I have also used Shunya's dot mandala toolkit. You'll get different size of dotting tool in this kit for making the fine dots as well as the bigger size dots. So friends, at first I'm doing this base coat with black color. I'm just using my normal acrylic black color paint from Fevicryl. I'm using a flattened brush to paint it. Now I'm surrounding this tea light part with fine dotting tool, making tiny dots around it. I'm using red color for making this. So basically I am using the rainbow shades in this artwork. I'm just making tiny dots around the tea light part. So you have to dip your tool every time into the paint and then make this tiny dot. So friends, now we are proceeding towards the second row with orange color. I'm making the dot as close as possible with the first row and making the dots between the two dots of the previous row. So friends, for the next row I'm using lemon yellow color and I am using the same dotting tool that I have used before and trying to make the dots as small as possible but slightly bigger than the previous row dots. So as you can see, I am dipping my tool every time into the paint for making each dot. Similarly friends, I'm moving on to the fourth row and using the green color and I'm making the tiny dots in between the two dots of the previous row. Here I'm using slightly bigger dotting tool or try to make slightly bigger dots. Even if you are using the same dotting tool, try to pick a little more paint and make a slightly bigger dot. And this is how it looks now. So friends, now I'm moving on to the next row and I'm using cerulean blue color here. And similarly as we have done in the previous rows, I'm making the dots between the two dots of the previous row. So this is how it looks now. So as we know, the next row will be the indigo color. So I'm using ultramarine blue here. You'll get easily the shade from Amazon. It's a very beautiful dark blue color. Or even if you don't have the similar shade, you can use any other dark blue color that you have in your cupboard. So friends, similarly I am following the next row with violet color. I'm using slightly bigger dotting tool to make slightly bigger dot and making the dots between the two dots of the previous row as we have done before. So friends, now I'm moving towards the periphery part of the tea light holder, and I decided to make some bigger dots, and so I'm using this bamboo tool for making a dot. I'm using red color to make this dot. So in this way you have to dip your tool into the paint every time and make the dot. You have to keep a distance of like a half centimeter in between them. It totally depends on you how you want to proceed it. So friends, as you can see, I'm using a fine dotting tool and then surrounding this bigger red color dots with tiny orange color dots. I'm just walking the dots from the top of this dot, bigger dot, to its bottom part. So friends, you have to pick your paint once and then walk the dots from the top to the bottom, as you can see in the video. So in that way, the size of the dots will keep on decreasing from top to bottom, and it will give a beautiful petal shaped structure. Friends, now I'm proceeding to the second row and I'm using lemon yellow color here. So I decided to just make it asymmetrical, and I'm not doing it on the other side of it. I'm just making a single layer of petal. So friends, now I am proceeding towards the third row, and just like the rainbow, I am making it with green color, and I'm dipping my tool into the paint once and then just walking the dots from top to bottom. In this way, the size of the dots will keep on decreasing from top to bottom of the row. So friends, I kept my stone for some time to dry so that I can hold it properly, because it was getting tough for me to hold it and show you all the edge part. So now I'm proceeding to the next row, and I'm using this cerulean blue color. uh, I'm using the Fevicryl brand for this, and I'm using the same tool, or you can use a slightly bigger tool if you want. So friends, now you can see that we have done the petal part completely. So now I'm moving towards the top dots. I'm using gold metallic color here, and we don't have much bigger dots, so I'm just doing the top dots over the red color dots. So friends, I am done with this beautiful tea light holder. I have done resin on them to fix the colors. What do you think about this art? Let me know in the comment section. If you really like my video and my artwork, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to share with your family and friends. See you there in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.